Hey everybody, welcome to Rex Barbecue and Grill. My name is Rich. Today we're going to be doing breakfast. We're going to be making a sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin and a sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle from McDonald's. Stick around towards the end of the video because I got a new toy and I want you guys to check it out. Let's get cooking. Morning guys, today we're doing breakfast McDonald's style, a little bit of Rex spin on it. We're going to be doing a sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin as well as a sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle. First thing we're going to start with is our sausage. I used to be able to buy the patties already pre-made, uncooked at the local grocery store. Since COVID hit, I haven't seen them since. So I've since then switched to just buying a pound of breakfast sausage and making my own, doing them smash burger style. So they actually turn out a lot better than the old style. So just start by opening up a sausage. This is a pound of sausage, so I make them about a quarter pound a piece. So just rip it in half and then rip each piece in half again. Roll them up into a little meatball. Then we want to put some oil down on the flat top. Each of these on there. Let them sit for just a few seconds. And then we're gonna smash them down just like we would do a smash burger. The difference with the pork sausage is it gets really sticky. So just to smash them down, it's still gonna stick on the on your spatula. I'm using a bacon press. Even if you put a piece of parchment paper underneath there to keep it from sticking, it'll still stick to the parchment paper. So to prevent that from happening, we're just gonna hit each of these with a little bit of canola to help with the sticking. Parchment paper, bacon press. Press them down, hold them for a few seconds. All right, there we go. So while those are going, we're going to be doing 2 McMuffins and 2 McGriddles today. So we'll start with the McMuffin, which is nothing more than an English muffin, Thomas English muffin. I like to butter them up first. We're going to put them face down first. A little bit of melted butter. Help brown things up a little bit. And then for the McGriddle, we're gonna use pancake batter and actually make the buns, make them pancakes. I'm gonna use my egg rings to do that. We're gonna put a little bit of oil on the inside of this. Just wipe it around, keep things from sticking. Get those down on the griddle. Our pancake mix with about 2 tablespoons of real maple syrup mixed in. We'll just pour those into the rings. Check our buns. Go a few more minutes here. Okay, we're ready to flip the sausage patties now. A nice crust going on. Something that you do not get at McDonald's. Sausage is looking good. We'll give our buns a flip here, get the other side toasted, and see if we can pull off these egg rings. Sometimes it's got to give it a little shake. Should release pretty easily. Those aren't quite yet ready to flip yet. We'll give them a few more minutes. In the meantime, we'll start the eggs. Again, lightly greased on the inside of the rings. Break the yolk up a little bit. Eggs will cook pretty quick, so you're going to want to keep an eye on them. Try and flip these pancakes now. Alright, so the eggs in the ring are for the McMuffins. That's how McDonald's does it. The eggs for the McGriddles, they actually just cook them on the griddle and fold them over, so we're going to try and do the same thing here. So 2 eggs, scramble them up. And we'll get them on the griddle. Watch so it doesn't all run into my drain. English muffins are done, so we'll set those to the side. Time to release the eggs. Again, just give it a little shake. Sometimes they do stick. Divide the eggs in half because we're going to put one on each sandwich. We'll stir them up a little bit. Alright, the eggs are ready to flip, so we're going to try and do this without destroying them too much. Put the eggs that were in the rings. These over on the warmer side of the grill. I've got the far side set to low, so these are done. Now we'll just simply fold over the eggs, set those to the side for now. Thing with these eggs, we'll set them over here while we wait for the sausage to finish. Okay, now all we got to do is wait for the sausage to finish cooking. While we do that, we'll start building the sandwiches. So we're going to use American cheese on the bottom of each of the English muffins, as well as, let's move this over, do this one over here, on the bottom of the pancakes. Next is the cheese. On the McMuffin, place the egg. And then we'll put the sausage on. Alright, There's our McMuffins. There is our McGriddles. And as promised, I have a new toy I want to show you guys. This is going to put these McGriddles over the top. And of course, no McGriddle is complete without a nice branding. So that's it, guys. McGriddles and McMuffins at home. You don't need to go to McDonald's anymore. These things, I guarantee you, are going to be better than what McDonald's can do. McDonald's, I challenge you if you're watching. So we'll, I'm going to try. I'm a fan of the McMuffin, so I'm going to take a bite of this thing. Gotta do these at home. They actually end up being cheaper, I think, too, if you're doing them on your own. Caitlin, you want to take a bite and try one?
Sure.
Just off camera, or you want to go on camera?
Off.
Alright, there you go. She took a big bite. What do you think? Good?
Good.
You like them? What do you like the best about it? Can you taste the maple syrup and the...
Pancake.
Yeah? Good. Alright. Well, that's it, guys. That's breakfast on the Camp Chef flat top this morning. McDonald's style. As always, recipes in the description below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, help us boost things up, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.